Ano daw? Ano mo ka? Pag-leave mo.
Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog!
I-post na ako ni Ugmas Buntag. Manyosi vlog sa YouTube.
This is our last week.
Rigid oh. Oh. This is your day. My sweldo wala. This is your day. Oh. So dili na siya real sa content kini siya YouTube jud ni siya. Oo. Yes. Wala. Record lang.
Ay, dito na lang ako sa akin na lang. Angels. Ay, i-bluetooth nyo na lang yung music. Isan nyo lang.
Okay, mabutang dito sa YouTube.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the cultivation program of our on-the-job training. Today marks a significant milestone in the journey of our trainees as they complete their training and prepare to embark on their professional careers. But before we proceed with our program, let us bow our heads and join together in prayer to be led by now.
Father God, pray to you.
Our program today is a tribute to the hard work and dedication of our on-the-job trainees. We have prepared a series of presentations which has showcase the growth and achievements of our trainees during their time with us. So without further ado, let's welcome Sir Elvin Akampay with ready to be inspired and enlightened to share God's wisdom with today.
Hello, good morning. Hindi mo inspiring ako yung message, pero naka-ready ko din yung Char! Kaya mo nga ko ni Job na sir ko mag-opinion remarks. So once again, good morning everyone. It is with great pleasure and excitement that I extend my warmest greetings and congratulations sa inyong walo, our dear OJTs, as we gather here today to celebrate the culmination of your OJT journey. So today marks a significant milestone as we recognize and honor the remarkable achievement, dedication, and hard work of our OJTs throughout their training period. Your commitment, perseverance, and enthusiasm have truly made a difference in our office. So siguro di kayo ninyo ma-feel ka ng pag-filing, pag-coding, pagtapok-tapok sa mga documents. Pero sa among perspective, dako nagit kayo na siya natabang sa among And we are truly grateful kay naamo. Kay di pagalit ninyo ang among trabaho. Imagine if kami nagtrabaho anak dugay pa. So thank you sa inyong tabang. So each step you have taken, every challenge you have overcome reflects your true potential and determination. As you embark on your next chapter of your life, mag-graduate na mo, mag-take of exam na, then masitihin na dyan. Remember the valuable lessons, the experiences na nagain ninyo, and the relationship formed during your stay with us. So once again, congratulations sa inyong tanan on this well-deserved achievement. Yay!
Of this program. Get ready to be inspired as they will share their inspirational message for our lovely COA angels. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct honor to introduce our next speaker, someone whose words have the power to uplift and inspire. So without further ado, let us welcome Ma'am Jonah. Okay, good morning. Good morning. How do you feel? Seminar learning. Okay, so this is a day of celebration. First, of course, I would like to congratulate Cheche. So for all we pass the civil service professional. When the time is right, I will make it happen. We want to say
Mungkin na siya uli po. Bago na siya maging hirasan.
And also, this is a day of celebration for our dear COA angels.
Unsa siya? Kana ba?
Angels, because so I would like to congratulate, extend my congratulations to all of you for completing the OJT requirements of your school. So 600 hours for NGT2 and 400 hours for GT1. So, pero sa lang tulong, wala tayo. Wala ka na bantayan. So it was our pleasure to have you here, and I would like to extend
Wala yung kasi angel, no?
Exam pa, sir.
Exam pala siya.
The especially during our Hapag document days. Yeah! Nagawas sila sa Mikey, nagawas sa Talasyon, wala na magawas sila. Pinatanan, na-expose ko sa abroad na wala nakabalong sa tunapainat ng mga abroad na ito. Na-exercise ka ito mga legs. So, pasaka na ako dito sa second floor. Naka-distigitan ko abroad. Distigitan ko mga documents sa sakinan. So, kung wala mo, it would be very difficult for us. So, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks. And also, I would like to thank bonding, friendship we have formed so that maybe natin OJT, lawyer na relationship pero sa gawas, you will remain as core friends. So, kita hindi sa gawas, can approach us, hindi sila mga dragon.
Depende.
Natawag ko din niya ang mga pictures nila, they're all our OJTs. We really treasure the memories, the time they have spent with us, although short time lang, we really treasure it. And the doors of COA is always open. Sa sunod, nakarang makakasa ng board exam. Kung ay mga vacant we are so much waiting to accept you. In fact, Joanna is also one of our OJTs and eventually nag-partner din siya sa COA and sa City Hall. So we hope we have somehow imparted important knowledge with you. We hope during the duration sa enhanced degree, you have gained something that you can apply when you are in the actual work field na mga principles, values, you can apply in the career. So I would just like to share to you that working is not just about rendering service, but more importantly, it is how you deal with your coworkers, how you maintain their integrity, and how well you are doing things when nobody is looking on you. Because at the end of the day, we have no one to please but ourselves and God. So, kamalo, if you have rendered, if you have imparted something that can make an impact into where you are, and ikaw po naka-assess sa iyong sarili is, what I have done is enough. Enough na siya. So, we have nothing to please but ang sarili lang si God. So, we hope that you have the important values as you stay here in COA. So, your dedication and hard work have paid off, and finally, matapos na ang inyong educated program, and we wish you continued success as you apply your newfound skills and knowledge in your future endeavors. So, to our OJTs, good luck in taking the board exams. Kabalumi, kaya-kaya na ninyo. And to Cheche, for your future endeavors, for your future opportunities,
The newly mutya.
the new auditor, Miss University. Thank you very much, and let's enjoy this day. So, good morning everyone. Thank you kayo sa congratulate and mostly, first and foremost, kay God, kaya I'm so thankful to you. My heart is full of gratefulness kay God. And my message is, thank you so much for the friendship and also sa pag-help sa mga din sa office. Kay, mas tagaan ang work and especially ang inyong ang bond between ninyo and also sa mga thank you guys and
Pwede go.
take pride in how far you've come, how faith and how far you can go, but don't forget to enjoy the journey. So, congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you na rin sa inyo sa mga OJTs kasi nakuha sa inyo na impact sa daily naman ng mga mga activities. Lalo na katuwid kayo ang bulitin niyo mga hapon-hapon days. Diba si JM ko, kahit na ako makaka-imagine na kaya makapatag sa ako. With all the male values lang
bunga kayo. Angel, Angel. Kaya magkapag-isa kita sa ako, kami galing dito ng mga kapwag. So, salamat din kayo sa inyong mga sa Jeff ay at least akong nabuti sa nasa coatings na lang, diba? Hindi na nasa mga times na ka na mas masanay ito ang tayo nakapas. So at least, na-compute na inyong na-contribute sa COA na mga mga trabaho. And to Cheche, di ba siya itong motto? Puto ko ay 500 laban. So, na-achieve na ito. Nakapilang si Esirato, diba? So, at least, na-achieve na ito ang goal yun na, no? So, sa mga laban, puto ko ay 500 laban. So, thank you, kids, sa inyo. Tapos, mga ito, maabot man ang time, makabasa na po sa board exam. Kanya, kita gihapon ng taulit. Magkita man na sa gawas, mag-pushing jump sa mga. Ako lang ta, thank you.
Graduate ka ron. Kung sa atong bagong professor na si Jeje! Salamat sa tanan, sa OGP, ug labingan. Ay, iyon ang sa nagkakita ko OGP. Tapos, kay Chichi na, kung ka ng laki, ka ng tunay na laki. Karon niabot si Maylene o si Ingrid. Ingon ni Chichi, ay, niabot. Ano, laki? Pwede malaki. Kanang dili 50-50 Chi, kanang ano kinong sako. Kaya mag-inuti. Tawagan. Kaya napagano na sa pagsaking na. Okay, Chi, kaya. Sobrang pati sa lalaki. Okay. Nagpasalamat kami sa inyong hamay o si Angel wala diri. O kamong tanan, dili na isa-isa ko no. Kabuyo ang tigulang. Mauna ko salamat o congrats sa inyo. Kung makabasa mo, si Ma'am Juna pa, balik lang mo rin. Salamat ko na makabasa. Mauna ko.
Wow, tarong naman ya, tarong naman.